Expelliarmus. After the red guard's been rolled on, you got to find a starting point for the tile. In this case, the right side of this shower is out of square a bit, but the left side works much better. We scribed a plumb line on the left side of this so we can get a basis for the tile. We also spaced it off of the wall about a 1/4 inch because there are some slight bows to the drywall. This way you can get a nice straight line.
I know this keeps running.
Here's wood. Better go catch it. Catch it.
Oh my gosh.
Here's where we're at. So we staggered these. We went 1/3, which is about 8 inches, as opposed to doing half the tile like bricks would be or a block wall, just to give it a little different look. Now we're going to start on the sides, but we're not quite sure what we're going to do yet. We'll figure it out. In woodworking, they call it book match when you take the same thing and line up the grain, just cut down the middle. So that's what I tried to do with these. Here's what we've got. We bought a second set of the tiles because we ran out, and they came a lot wider than some of these other darker tiles. The first set had a bunch more browns in them. Kind of a subtle difference. Doesn't show up too well on camera, but it didn't look good. So we popped out all the dark ones from the first set and a lot of the light ones from the second set, and we're going to be swapping them just to make things difficult.
Can you move? Yeah.
This stuff's really important to put in all the inside corners, because later it'll crack if there's just grout and you'll have water leaking behind it. Even on the bench, behind here, around the floor. You can see right there where it's not dry, it looks like it's a lighter color. It'll dry dark. The last step in the entire process is to seal the grout. You also got to seal any natural stone. In this case, we have marble on the floor. I'm not going to go over how to do it. You got to wait 48 hours after the tile's been grouted, and then you just put it on